Hello and welcome to another video. Seems like semiconductors are the talk of the town these days. The rise in semiconductor stock was fueled by AI related demand for its chips. Just look at Nvidia stock. So the AI go rush is on. However, that's not a full story, and in this video I'm going to break down a particular stock which can be a game changing. So, in recent years, share values in the semiconductor industry have risen dramatically, and I think semiconductor stocks are generally volatile, but their growth potential is hard to ignore. And one such stock is Micron Technology. It has solid fundamentals and a competitive edge, and is also part of a larger project indicating substantial upside potential. Now, the larger project is that last week the Biden administration took a big strategic step by giving Micron Technology a 6.1 billion grant. This funding enables Micron to develop innovative chips in New York and Idaho, possibly changing the semiconductor scene and improving its long-term prospects. So, during the next 2 decades, Micron plans to invest $100 billion in New York alone, and according to estimates, this investment will generate 9,000 direct jobs and 40,000 construction jobs. What separates Micron is its vertically integrated structure. This allows it to handle much of its own production and manufacturing process. The VI structure enables improved control, faster response times to market changes, and possible cost savings over rivals that rely on external suppliers. Now, if we look at the fundamentals, according to discounting cash flow, the stock is undervalued by 7% with a potential upside of 23% by the year end. And revenue is expected to increase by 26% annually over the next 3 years. And the overall semiconductor is expected to rise by 26% annually. So the company is poised for an equivalent revenue outcome. So I think Micron got a huge boost from US government last week, and amidst this AI rush, MU will be the forerunner. I hope you like this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.